Okay, this is my computer and motherboard, 200 millimeter fans, hard drive, 6 gigabyte memory RAM, and basically the water cooling, yeah, right there, and the Windows 7 200 millimeter fans. They have blue LED lights and 16 gigabytes of memory RAM, and that's the processor, the hard drive, the video card. Basically, I'm not gonna upgrade the video card. That's just a temporary video card. That's a motherboard, and it's ASUS M5A97 Evo, and well, that's the power supply, 775 watts, and that's the DVD writer, and that's pretty much for now. So that's the computer, the case. Basically it is a Thermaltake Overseer RX1, or I'm sorry, RXI, I guess, yeah. And well, that's a nice case, and the reason I picked that case is because you have whatever I want and whatever I'm looking for, which is space. And if you guys can see right there, that is 200 millimeter fan in the bottom, and there is another one in the back. But also there is I will show the computer the case in a minute. But basically that's the case with the accessories that I'm gonna install. And those fans, they're going basically one right here and another one right there, which is optional. So I'm gonna install it and have it installed and see how it looks. So I'm gonna give you guys the other part of the video where I got everything connected. So